Aloha, my name is Cash, and I am just giving a little bit of a review of the Momentum Eagle-1 tracking device. I was looking for a easy solution for being able to track my vehicles so that I could have a little bit of an insurance just to know where my vehicles are at any given time. I found that the Momentum definitely satisfied the needs for me. The app online is very easy to use. You can easily choose whichever vehicle you have that you're looking for, and it shows it on a map, even in live time. So that was kind of cool. Overall, I've been very happy. For I think $12 a month was a very reasonable price to pay to have the knowledge of where my vehicles were at any given time. Super easy. What I do is I just pull this guy out here, and I put the Momentum tracker in there, and then I basically just run the wire through, and from there I just plug it in directly into the OBD sensor, and that's it. And then basically you've got some zip ties that I think Momentum provides as well, and you can just zip tie it into good locations so it holds the wires, and you're good to go. Aloha.